Hey barbecue lovers, there's nothing quite like the flavor of real wood-fired cooking. Whether you're smoking brisket low and slow, grilling juicy burgers, or roasting steaks with rich smoky flavor, a great pellet grill can completely transform your outdoor cooking experience. Modern pellet grills combine convenience, smart technology, and authentic barbecue flavor all in one machine, making them perfect for beginners. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best pellet grills that deliver amazing performance, smart features, and incredible versatility for your backyard setup. Links to all products are in the description. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL. Starting off our list is the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL, a compact but incredibly versatile outdoor grill and smoker. This grill is perfect for people who want authentic wood-fired flavor without dealing with a massive traditional smoker. Powered by electricity and flavored with real wood pellets, it delivers smoky barbecue taste in a much smaller and more convenient design. One of its biggest strengths is the 7-in-1 functionality. You can grill, smoke, roast, bake, broil, air fry, and even dehydrate food all in one machine. That flexibility makes it more than just a grill, it's practically an outdoor cooking station. Despite its compact size, the 180 square inch cooking area still gives enough space for burgers, ribs, wings, brisket, or even whole chickens. The smart technology is another major highlight. Using the Ninja Pro Connect app, you can monitor temperatures, cooking progress, and timers directly from your phone. The built-in thermometer also helps ensure your meat reaches the perfect doneness without guesswork. Notifications alert you when it's time to flip food or when preheating is complete. Its weather-resistant build makes it suitable for year-round outdoor cooking, and the compact footprint works great for balconies, patios, RV trips, and tailgating. If you want a smaller pellet grill with impressive versatility and smart controls, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL is an excellent option. Number 4. Traeger Pro 22. Next up is the Traeger Pro 22, one of the most popular pellet grills ever made and a trusted favorite among barbecue enthusiasts. Traeger helped pioneer pellet grilling, and the Pro 22 continues to deliver the reliable wood-fired performance the brand is known for. This grill offers 6-in-1 versatility, allowing you to grill, smoke, roast, braise, bake, and barbecue all on one machine. Fueled by natural hardwood pellets, it creates rich, smoky flavor that gas grills simply can't match. The digital Pro controller keeps temperatures steady between 180 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, helping you cook everything from low and slow brisket to high-heat burgers with confidence. The cooking capacity is another strong point. With 572 square inches of grilling space, you can cook up to 24 burgers, multiple racks of ribs, or several whole chickens at once. That makes it ideal for family gatherings, weekend cookouts, or meal prep sessions. Traeger also includes a built-in meat probe, allowing you to monitor internal food temperatures without opening the lid and losing heat or smoke. The 8-pound pellet hopper supports long smoking sessions and includes a clean-out door for easy pellet changes. Built with powder-coated steel and porcelain-coated grates, the Pro 22 is durable and easy to maintain. Its rugged sawhorse chassis and large wheels improve stability and mobility around the backyard. Number 3. Brisk It Zelos-450. At number 3, we have the Brisk It Zelos-450, a smart pellet grill packed with modern technology and AI-powered cooking assistance. This grill is designed for people who love convenience and want a more hands-off barbecue experience without sacrificing flavor. The standout feature here is the Brisket AI cooking technology. This smart assistant helps guide your cooking process by understanding natural language requests and offering customized cooking support. It can monitor the grill's performance, adjust settings automatically, and help maintain consistent cooking temperatures throughout the session. That makes it especially useful for beginners or busy cooks who want reliable results. The Zelos-450 also features a precise PID temperature controller with a range from 180 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're smoking ribs slowly or searing steaks at higher temperatures, the grill maintains stable heat for better consistency. It supports multiple cooking styles too, including grilling, smoking, roasting, braising, baking, and searing. Its 450 square inch cooking area offers enough room for burgers, ribs, and larger meals while still maintaining a relatively manageable footprint. The weather-resistant steel construction and included waterproof cover make it suitable for year-round outdoor use. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to monitor and adjust settings remotely, while the included meat probe helps track food temperatures accurately. If you want a smart pellet grill with advanced AI features and easy operation, the Brisk It Zelos-450 is a very impressive option. Number 2. Traeger Ironwood 885. Taking the runner-up spot is the Traeger Ironwood 885, a premium pellet grill built for serious backyard barbecue fans. This grill combines large cooking capacity, smart technology, and powerful wood-fired flavor into one high-end package. The Ironwood 885 features a huge 885 square inch cooking area, making it ideal for cooking large meals for parties, gatherings, or family events. You can fit multiple racks of ribs, whole chickens, or pork shoulders all at once with room to spare. One of its best features is Super Smoke Mode, which increases smoke production at lower temperatures for deeper and richer barbecue flavor. Combined with natural hardwood pellets, this grill creates authentic smoke taste that barbecue lovers will appreciate. The D2 direct drive controller helps maintain accurate temperatures between 165 and 500 degrees Fahrenheit for both slow smoking and high heat grilling. The Woodfire smart technology allows you to control the grill remotely using the Traeger app. You can adjust temperatures, monitor meat probes, set timers, and receive notifications directly from your phone. That convenience is especially helpful during long smoking sessions. Double wall insulation improves heat retention and helps the grill perform well even in colder weather conditions. The 20-pound pellet hopper also includes a pellet sensor that alerts you before fuel runs low. With premium construction, smart features, and excellent cooking performance, the Traeger Ironwood 885 is one of the best high-end pellet grills you can buy today. Number 1. Camp Chef Woodwind Pro Wi-Fi 36. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Camp Chef Woodwind Pro Wi-Fi 36. This pellet grill delivers incredible versatility, advanced smoking control, and premium build quality, making it one of the most complete pellet grills available today. The biggest highlight is the innovative smoke box system. Unlike traditional pellet grills that only burn pellets, this grill allows you to add wood chunks, wood chips, charcoal, or additional pellets for more customizable smoke flavor. This gives you much more control over your cooking style and creates a flavor profile closer to traditional offset smokers. The Woodwind Pro also includes advanced Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity through the Camp Chef Connect app. From your smartphone, you can adjust temperatures, monitor meat probes, receive notifications, and track your cooking progress remotely. The full-color PID controller gives highly accurate temperature management and allows you to control smoke intensity using the adjustable smoke number system. Its large 3.6-inch cooking area provides plenty of room for large barbecue sessions, while the stainless steel construction improves durability and heat retention. Another excellent feature is the Sidekick compatibility, allowing you to add accessories like a griddle, sear station, or artisan oven for even more cooking flexibility. Whether you want to smoke brisket, grill steaks, roast vegetables, or experiment with cold smoking, this grill can do it all. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best pellet grills. Whether you want a compact smart grill for smaller spaces or a premium smoker packed with advanced features, these pellet grills deliver incredible flavor and versatility for outdoor cooking. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you in the next one.